Hi guys, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today we are doing the November Facetory unboxing and September Facetory review. If you're unfamiliar with these videos, what I do is I unbox the newest subscription that I just got, and I review the subscription from last month to let you know whether or not I think it was worth the money. Facetory is a Korean sheet mask subscription service, and you can get either 4 or 7 sheet masks sent to you every month. I believe the one I get is like $19.95 and it's 7 masks. And then the Forever Fresh, I don't recall the price off the top of my head, but I will have more information about Facetory and a link to their website down in the description box. Let's get started with unboxing November's box. So this is the first time I'm opening it. What is this? I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I have no idea what this is, but it looks really exciting. It's some little bow of some sort. Is it Velcro? I don't know. And then it says happy 2nd birthday to Facetory. Well, that's really awesome. It's their 2nd anniversary in November, but I don't know what the heck this bow thing is. I need to open it up. It's like a Velcro-y bow. Does it just stick in your hand? What? It just sticks. Okay, that's gonna mess up my hair and get me all frizzy. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Don't rip it. Don't rip my hair. Ugh. That's an interesting hair bow. I'm gonna have to take some selfies with it. Okay, and there's also a Duft and Doft Stockholm Rose hand cream in here. I've never gotten anything but stickers. This is really exciting. I got a freaking hair bow and a hand cream. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna open this up and smell it. Or put it on my hands, actually. Oh, that smells really nice. And it's so cute. And it feels really nice too. Ooh, I'm excited to have this rose hand cream. All right, get moving to the masks. And per usual, the box says just keep glowing. It's always super cute on the inside. And it comes with the card that says what all the 7 masks are and their prices and everything. Let's just get started with the first one. It is a Facetory brand mask. Oh my goodness, rejuvenating snail mask, which retails for $3.50 US. And its main ingredients are snail secretion filtrate, which contains hyaluronic acid and glycoprotein to hydrate the skin and prevent aging, and shea butter, which soothes, smooths, and seals in moisture. Now this mask sounds really amazing, but just glancing at the ingredients on the back, one of the top ingredients is aloe, which I'm very sensitive to. So I'm gonna have to have one of my roommates test this out. I am very fortunate that I have roommates who will mask with me and test products with me when I'm sensitive to them. So this is for the roommates. Then we have the 23 years old Rose Gold 24 mask, which retails for $6. Its main ingredients are Rosa centifolia flower water, which moisturizes and has astringent properties, which tightens pores and reduces inflammation, and gold extract, which is anti-aging and increases elasticity and reduces lines, wrinkles, and blemishes. This one, just based on the name, I can't read all of the ingredients. It's completely in Korean, but just based on the name, this is also going to be one for my roommates because I found rose irritates my skin as well. So unfortunately, the first 2 masks are kind of a pass already. Next, we have the Skin 17 Tea Americano mask, which retails for $5. And this mask has 3 steps. The first step has aloe, and that's anti-inflammatory and soothes and hydrates. The second step has propolis extract, which is anti-inflammatory, soothing, healing, and balancing. And the third has coffee seed extract, which promotes production of collagen and elastin to combat aging. Now this one sounds amazing, but again, the aloe, like, I can't. I don't want to have a rash or hives. That's not fun when that happens. So number 3 for the roommates. I'm just gonna have to host another mask party, I think. I'm pretty sure, because the first 3 I can't use. The next mask is the Cody Sparkling Wine Sheet Mask, which retails for $3.50 US. Has wine extract, which contains a natural antioxidant called Referral to help fight aging. Rose's Centifolia Flower Water, which contains vitamins and antioxidants to moisturize. And willow bark extract, which is an exfoliant which will clear pores and promote clearer, healthier looking skin. Now this one, even though it does have Rosa's Centifolia Flower Water, I think I'd still take a chance on it, especially since so far out of the first 4 masks, this is like the only maybe usable one. So it sounds like it could be fun. I'll keep this one for myself. We'll give it a go. We'll see if it irritates me. And I mean, the benefits of it sound amazing, so I'm more than happy to take advantage of those benefits. Next we have the XOY or Zoe Dark Choco Mask, which retails for $4.50. It has cocoa extract, and that contains high levels of antioxidants to promote production of collagen and elastin, and it also helps tighten the skin and reduce inflammation, and quinoa seed extract, which nourishes and moisturizes the skin by promoting elasticity and regeneration. This is the first mask, number 5, where none of the ingredients worry me, and I'm really excited to try this one. It sounds amazing. And a chocolate mask, hello, who doesn't want to do a chocolate mask? So this one so far is my favorite, and I'm really excited about it. Next we have the Enature, I don't know, Kika Herb Restore Sheet Mask. I don't know if I pronounce these things right. Retails for $3.50. It has medicasoside, oh gosh, and it is derived from Centella asiatica that helps strengthen the skin's barrier and soothe irritated skin. And it also has sodium hyaluronate, which is skin restoring, moisturizing, and reduces the appearance of blemishes and is anti-aging. This one sounds really gentle and really nice. I'm really excited to try this one, especially if there's another mask that irritates me, to try this one like a day later to help soothe my skin. So I'll let you guys know next month how this goes. Finally, we have the Duft & Duft Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask. It retails for $4. It has aloe, an anti-inflammatory ingredient that soothes and hydrates, and artichoke leaf extract. That's freaking cool. Artichokes are my favorite vegetables, and it helps improve the appearance of the skin while reducing signs of aging. Again, this is for the roommates. One of its star ingredients is aloe. I'm really disappointed because I'd love to do an artichoke mask, like that's my favorite vegetable, but I really don't want to break out in a rash or anything from the aloe, so I've got a nice stack of masks for my roommates to try. So far, just based on the fact that over half of the masks I'm going to have to give away, I'm not liking November so much, but these 3 masks that I can try sound really exciting. So I will get to testing these out and let you guys know next month how everything went and whether or not it was worth the money. And let's get into the October box review. So the October box was a collab with Aja or Asia Dang, I'm not sure how to say her name. And there were quite a few masks that I could not try, so I had my roommates try them, but I will still let you know. I had them take notes and I will let you know what they thought. The first mask is the Facetory Glow Baby Glow Mask, which retails for $5, and it is supposed to promote supple and radiant skin, as well as improve pores, skin tone, and strengthen the surface of your skin. And my roommate Kristen tried this. You've actually seen her recently in a video, in the fragrance testing video. And she said it was cooling, refreshing, and brightening, and she would definitely do this one again. So if I were, say, putting together a present for Kristen, yes, I would repurchase this, but I wouldn't repurchase this for me because it has aloe. So I can't use this one. So this is kind of a toss-up for me because I wouldn't buy it for myself, but I would buy it as a gift because it is a good mask. So I guess I'll count it as a repurchase. Next we have the Kiyomi Hydration Therapy Mask, which retails for $6. This one is supposed to brighten and improve the look of an uneven skin tone. I tried this one. I felt it moisturized, it smoothed my fine lines, and I really enjoyed it. I would definitely repurchase this one and do this mask again. Although I do think that $6 for a mask that just moisturizes and smooths is a little steep when I've tried cheaper masks that do the same thing. But I still like it. I still give it a thumbs up, so we'll put it in the repurchase pile. Next we have the 23 years old Seaweed Silky Mask, which retails for $7. And this one is supposed to calm as well as hydrate and anti-age. And I was really excited for this one just because of the cool see-through packaging. I tried it and no, not recommend at all, not repurchase at all. I was so red and irritated. My skin did not like it. It had a very strong reaction to this mask, as well as there was no mouth hole. And that kind of really freaked me out, like not having a cutout around the mouth. So I had to cut my own with scissors because I was starting to feel like weirdly claustrophobic with a mask. I don't recommend this one at all. The packaging is really cool. The mask inside is not. Then we have the G9 Skin Banana Milk Balm Mask, which retails for $3.50, and it is supposed to gently exfoliate and moisturize and soften your skin. And I had to try this one because it was a banana mask and it smelled so good, like I hoped it would. It smelled so good, and my skin was super soft. I felt it was really moisturizing and softening. I would definitely repurchase this. I really recommend it. Then we have the Dr. Glowderm Tab RX Whitening Mask, and it retails for $3.50 and is supposed to improve the appearance of large pores and uneven skin tone and hydrate and retain moisture. You could do this one two ways. You could do the mask and then the oil capsule, or you could do the oil capsule and then the mask. I did the oil capsule and then the mask, and I felt it hydrated, it evened out my skin tone, it really made my skin just look so clear. So I really enjoyed it. I would definitely recommend this mask. And in case you're new to my Facetory videos, any mask I list as a recommend or repurchase, I have links to down in the description box in case you want to purchase it individually instead of signing up for the Facetory subscription service. Next is the Mediskin Intensive Moisture and Calming Mask. This retails for $4 and fights inflammation and soothes, treats acne, and has anti-aging properties. I personally used this one and I felt that it was really calming and soothing, as well as it was depuffing and smoothing. So I really liked this one a lot. I definitely recommend this one. I will be repurchasing it for sure. Finally, we have the Meg 2-Step Jelly Mask Moisturizing and Vitalizing. This retails for $6 and it has a AHA peeling swab with alpha hydroxy acid that reduces acne and provides anti-aging, and an essence jelly mask which repairs damaged skin and reduces sun damage and adds moisture and provides anti-aging benefits. I I could not do this one because it had soy as one of the main ingredients. So Justin did this one, and he said his skin looked vibrant, felt smooth, and moisturized. So for him, this would be a repurchase and recommend definitely. Not for me because of the ingredients, but I'll still give it a thumbs up. So overall, for the month of October, I think this box was worth it. 6 out of the 7 masks are repurchase or recommends. Only one I completely would say don't go for ever, don't touch it, stay far away. So it's a win for me, but if you want to see what I think of the masks I just unboxed from November, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, because next month I will be reviewing that box and unboxing December. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.